Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is some friend mail. I got some friend mail. I've already opened it because I was too excited. But yeah, I've already opened it and it came so cute. I'm going to cover up our addresses, but there's little stickers. Let's see if I can show you. It's like a sticker that says meow in there. There's little kitty cat stickers all up in here. It's so cute, and it is from Miss Erica. And yes, you've already seen some pieces sticking out. So you guys know when I spray, like I'll spray my face. And I'm like sitting here like this. And one day I said I needed a fan. Miss Erica sent me a fan. And guys, I have been playing with it. So I've been trying to get the fan flip. Look, now I have a really pretty floral fan. I've been playing with it already. Can you tell? Dry my face mist with. So thank you so much, Miss Erica. Oh my gosh. I know she said she got one too. What color did you get? Did you get the pink? Then I pulled these out. And guys, I laughed. I did. I actually like burst out laughing. My husband was like, what? And I'm like, look at these. They're bag ties for like potato chips or whatever. Look. But there's little ties, like the little pieces on the back, and you can put them around anything pretty much. You can put them around like vegetables. You can put them around like extension cords, napkin ring. I mean, whatever you can put them around and tighten them down. I couldn't get over it. Oh my gosh. So she put those in there. Oh my gosh. And she put a very pretty card. Look at that. Look at all the stickers. Oh my gosh. And the kitty cats. Oh my gosh. I love those. Love it. And like I said, I've done open everything up. So this one had another cute little sticker. Yes, I've already opened everything up. And she sent me another Creme Brulee. Because I have not seen these. If I look hard enough, I can probably find them. But she sent me another Creme Brulee. So this is going to go in my backup drawer. I'm going to go ahead and put it down there. So that's in the backup drawer. And then she sent me this little bag. Look how cute that is. And you guys know I have gotten into Pandora. I've started collecting. I've done some hauls. There's another, more hauls will come probably. But she sent me these two pretty bracelets. And again, they have stickers on them. And they're a Pandora style bracelet. You just... Let's see if I can get it open, because I just went ahead. Yeah, I can get it open. And they do have the little claspy bits. Hold on one second. I actually have a bead right here. This is not Pandora. It's actually based on a Pandora, but it's not a real Pandora. I told her I had some beads I could put on there. And looky, I've got a few more put up, but there's one of them I knew I had just laying there. So she sent me two of those so I can play around with those. Get you back. Snap you together. But there's that one, and I'll show you up against like the real Pandora. These are a little bit more shiny looking, I think, than the real Pandora. But she sent me two of those I can play with. So thank you, Miss Erica. Thank you so much. I'll have to put my other beads on here. I have some like cruise-ish beads that I have purchased that I'm going to put on one of these. That have like, I think the fish and maybe the palm trees. I can't remember, but I have some on order too that I can put on here. So... once I get this bracelet done, I'll show it to you. I'll send you pictures of it. But that's it for this little friend mail. I can't, these guys, I can't even. Look at that. How cute. My scissors are not in here. They're in yonder. Darn it. No, wait. I'm lying. I did put them back in here. If I get one. Get one loose. Trying not to actually cut the little silicone bit, but see, you put whatever you need to put in there, and then you just pull the tongue and turn it down. Oh my gosh, that is hilarious. That tickled me so much. You don't even know. You don't even know. But yes, these will be going in my kitchen. Thank you, Miss Erica. I'm going to be sending you a little gift as well. And I have another one from Miss Tracy I'm going to be sending out. So I'll probably get those all out at one time. And when I send you ladies out your goodies, I will give you a message that you have stuff on the way. So you can be on the lookout for it. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. The winners were announced for the giveaway. One has already been claimed. The international one was already claimed, and I've already sent her winnings. And the United States one, it has not yet been claimed. So guys, be sure you check on my social media, check that community tab, because that's where they were announced. I'm not going to try to hunt you down any further. I've made the announcement, and it's somebody that's been with me for a long time. So be sure you're checking my community tab, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, because it's all, I put it on every one of them. So you got 24 more hours to grab that prize, and I really want you to get it. So everybody that entered, be checking for the United States one. Check that community tab, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Check them all, because it's on there. All right, guys, I will catch you on the next one.